Maintaining proper water chemistry is a vital part of maintaining clean and sanitary water conditions and the health of the filtration pump systems and your spa's interior components. Dimension One Spas recommends the use of the Vision cartridge along with low levels of chlorine to maintain clean, clear water. Although other systems may be available, the Vision system is the best way to maintain clean spa water and a healthy filtration system while minimizing the chemical levels in your water. The Vision cartridge is a silver ionizer that kills bacteria, reducing levels of chlorine necessary to maintain your spa. This not only protects your spa's interior components from mineral buildup, but will also give your spa's water a cleaner and softer feel. This product lasts for 6 months and features a date dial reminder that tells you when each cartridge was installed and when it needs to be replaced. This system can lengthen the intervals between recommended water changes from 4 months to 6 months. The Vision cartridge cannot be used with bromine sanitation systems. These products react negatively to one another and will have an adverse effect on water conditions. For more on this and other systems, contact your local dealer or visit www.d1spas.com. If this is the first time you are filling your spa, refer to the initial startup guide in your owner's manual. Confirm with your dealer whether or not you will need any special pre-treatment prior to normal startup, such as calcium or mineral additives. Be sure to take your dealer a test sample from the water source you will use to fill your spa. Before adding chlorine or other sanitizing chemicals to your spa water, you must be sure the pH and alkalinity are balanced. You can verify water balance using test strips available at your local dealer. Alkalinity should be between 125 and 150, and pH should be between 7.2 and 7.8. If you are filling your spa from a municipal water source, there is a good chance that the pH and alkalinity are already balanced. If your water is not balanced, you will need to add a water balancer until pH and alkalinity are at the desired levels. Consult your dealer for more information on water balancing. Once the spa is filled and operational, you should superchlorinate using a dealer-recommended product. Generally, superchlorination is adding twice the regular dose of chlorine. Check the manufacturer's directions for the correct dosage according to your spa's water capacity. After superchlorination, operate your spa's circulation system with the cover open for 1 to 2 hours. This will allow water care products to dissolve and for resulting byproducts to escape. At this point, Dimension One recommends that you change your spa's water according to the drain and refill procedure in your spa's user guide for a clean start. Once your spa is filled and properly treated, test your water once more with a new strip. Adjust your alkalinity between 125 and 150 and your pH between 7.2 and 7.6. Then add chlorine per the recommended regular maintenance dose. And add the Vision cartridge if you are using the Vision sanitizing system. Your dealer may suggest you add stain and scale control. Run your spa's circulation system with the cover open for 1 to 2 hours and then close the cover. Your spa should now be ready to enjoy. Proper maintenance of your spa should include performing the following procedures once a week. As a new spa owner, you'll want to test the levels of alkalinity and pH once a week for the first few weeks, adjusting the balance when necessary. This will allow you to determine the intervals at which your water balance needs to be adjusted. You'll also want to test chlorine levels to make sure they are at 3 to 5 parts per million, or at a low residual level of 1 part per million if using a Vision cartridge. If your water remains cloudy after normal filtration or has an abnormally strong smell of chlorine, you may need to use a Spa Shock product. The cloudiness and/or smell is caused by an extra buildup of chloramines in your spa's water. This is caused when dirt and oils that build up in your system through normal use become ammonia compounds that bind to the free chlorine in your system to create chloramines. This displaces the free chlorine in your system, rendering it ineffective. Therefore, your spa's water will become cloudy and can sometimes give off a gaseous smell. Shocking the spa water using a dealer-recommended shock product will break up the chloramines and allow disinfectants to be effective. Contact your local dealer for more details. You'll want to add the recommended dose of chlorine to your spa water once to twice a week, depending on the frequency of use. This will keep your water disinfected and free of contaminants. Once again, make sure the cover is open at least halfway, with the jet pumps running for at least an hour whenever adding any water care products. Check the chlorine residuals once more to make sure they are at safe levels before entering the spa. We recommend that the following procedures be performed once a month. You should rinse or clean your spa's filters and inner filter screens according to the maintenance reminder, which alternates monthly between rinsing and complete cleanings. If you are a new spa owner, you may find you need to clean your filters more or less often, so it is a good idea to inspect your filters once a week for the first few weeks in order to establish proper intervals between cleanings. You will also want to clean and condition your spa's cover monthly. For more information on cover care, consult your dealer or refer to Sunstar's cover care instructions. Every 3 to 4 months, you will want to completely drain and refill your spa. One of the benefits of using the Vision cartridge is that you may only need to change your water every 6 months depending on your frequency of use. When you know you will be draining your spa, it is a good idea not to add chemicals for a few days before the drain, and to run the spa's circulation system with the cover open. This will allow you to drain the water in your garden if you wish. With your spa drained, you may want to clean your shell. Refer to your dealer's shell care instructions for further details. Refill your spa according to our Changing Your Spa Water video on d1spas.com. After refilling your spa, adjust your alkalinity and pH, add stain and scale control, shock the water, and add chlorine as required. Dimension One recommends that you replace your filters at least once a year, depending on your usage. If you are a first-time spa owner, it is a good idea to keep an extra set of filters on hand until the necessary interval between filter replacements is determined. You will need to replace your ozone generator every 18 months. Depending on your spa model, you may have the Crystal Pure or Ultra Pure ozone generator. Ozone is a non-chemical way to reduce the necessary level of chemical sanitizer in your spa. Ozone is a part of Dimension One's Ultra Pure water management system, shown in a demo here. To learn more about the benefits of this amazing system, consult your local dealer or see www.d1spas.com for more details. The ozone generator uses a UV bulb to ozonate the water in your spa's circulation system. Much like a light bulb in your house, this bulb starts to lose its effectiveness over time and eventually stops producing ozone. You will need an ozone generator replacement bulb like the one shown here, which can be found at your local Dimension One dealership. Consult your local dealer for parts and replacement procedures and services. It is important to remember that Dimension One spas employ a water management system and not just a filtration system. The components of the system work together to maintain the cleanest water possible, using the lowest amount of chemicals. Much like an automobile engine or any other sophisticated equipment, your spa's water management system needs regular maintenance. We hope this information helps you feel more comfortable with your spa's regular maintenance routine. After about 3 weeks, you will see that you don't need to spend more than a few minutes a week keeping your spa in perfect shape, leaving more time to enjoy the benefits of spa ownership.